Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year! I'm here to talk about my top 17 products of 2017. It's crazy that the year is over, and at this point I only have a semester left of high school. That is crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I don't think I have any repeats from previous years. Let's just go ahead and get started. And I am going to talk about this in like the order that I would apply it. The first thing is this foundation. It is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I got this at the Sephora VIB sale in November. I'd had a sample, multiple samples of it before, and I have just fallen in love with this foundation. I am currently wearing it along with another foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, but this is my 2017 favorite, and I'm in the shade Y225. The next thing is this concealer, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I think I got this in like January or February. No, got it February. This is my second tube of it. I have just fallen in love with it. It's the perfect consistency that it's light enough to go under the eyes, but has enough coverage where it can cover up blemishes. And I'm actually not wearing it today. But in this concealer, I'm in the shade Light Ivory. I just wish they had shades lighter for the more fair toned people, because under the eyes it just kind of blends in with the rest of the foundation. Next, I don't have like a powder or anything like that, or a bronzer, because I've just been using the same ones as last year. So I'll have last year's top beauty favorites, both drugstore and high-end, linked down below. For blush, this was part of the Sephora birthday gift. I went with the Tarte one. It came with this blush, and I've never tried any Tarte blushes besides this one. This is in the shade Party. There's like a specific shade name. I'll have it down below along with everything listed down below. But this has just been the perfect blush. It's like that perfect like pinky and neutral blush, and I have just been obsessed with it. Highlighters. I have 3. That's how much of a crazy person I am, and I got 3 new highlighters this year that I've just fallen in love with. First one is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Celestial. I've been putting this just like a light layer under foundation, mixing it in with my foundation, using it as a highlight. Like, this is just amazing, and it's just a liquid highlight. Do we see this glow? I am obsessed with this, and it's like the perfect shade for my lightness. And I mean, like, I could go like a shade up, but just like how this is on the skin, it's just beautiful. The next highlight is this, and I got it over the summer, and this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlight in Ice Cold. Like, this pan is massive, but it's kind of mixed in with the other highlight because that's how I like to use this, but it is beautiful. It's not usually this warm tone, but I mixed it in with my next favorite, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. I have used this so much. I have hit pan, and it's only like $5 at the drugstore. There's other shades that I want to try. It is beautiful, and these two mixed together has been like my highlighting combo, go-to combo for the year 2017. Eyebrows. I think I got this 2015, 2016, but I've just started to use it a lot more recently, and it's the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder, and I have mine in the shade Blonde. This is like, I know I've been steering away from my e.l.f. brow pencil. We all know I am obsessed, but I love this product. I just use like a brow wax, and then I go in with an Anastasia brow brush, fill in my brows and set it with the brow gel. This is pretty great. Eye primer. I discovered this year, and I had wanted to try it for a while. This is the Ulta Beauty matte eye primer in nude. It's just a nude eye primer that's matte. I've tried multiple eyeshadow primers this past year, but this has to be my favorite that I've tried. Then what I've been using to set my eyeshadow primers and bases is my next favorite, and this is the Ulta Brilliant Color eyeshadow in the shade Bone. It's super pigmented, I should say, but it like sets the eye bases down beautifully, and it is like super brightening, but once you apply everything on top, it's just... And then my favorite eyeshadow, I have quite a few. I have a single and then two palettes. First one is this eyeshadow from Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics, and I don't know if you can get the shadows individually. I got it in a Nipsey bag, and this is in the shade Teaser. It's just like that perfect warm brown eyeshadow to just throw in the crease. I pretty much just apply an eye primer, this, and that is like my everyday eyeshadow look. Eyeshadow palettes. I have two, and I'm sure you guys could probably guess the palette if you watched my videos, but the first one is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I was so excited to get this, and it did not disappoint. This is beautiful. I am obsessed with peach everything. I have 3 peach teas. My friends got me them for Christmas, and I got 7 peach teas. I want to get the new peach palette that they recently released. Well, not recently, but the other one of these, but for now I'll just stick with this, and it smells like peaches. So other eyeshadow palette is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is just beautiful. I'm going for like an eyeshadow look. It's most likely this. I'm excited to like play more with it next year, especially with like these blues. The next product are lashes, and I discovered these at the end of December in 2016, but I've gone through and used so many of these, even though I haven't really worn a whole lot of lashes. These are the lashes that I went for, and I only have one pair left. These are the Salon Perfect number 110 lashes. You can get these at Walmart. They're super natural and long, and anything that I could ask for in a lash are these. Lips. First thing is a lip liner, and this is the Sephora lip liner to go in the shade Vintage Pink. I tried this out for the first time this year, and I really like the formula of it, but I really like this. I might get some more like not so bright pink, but I feel like this would be like a perfect go-to color in the summer. Now to like lipsticks. I'm going to start with this. This is the NYX Whipped Fouette in the shade Cocoa Bean. I believe I got this in a Dipsy bag. This has just been amazing. I use a light layer of this on an everyday basis, and it's just like my lips but better. And then for like a color that I want to stay on all day, I really like this. This is just like a sample size. It's the Tarte Tarteist lip paint, the quick dry matte lip paint in the shade Rose. The last product is actually a face mask, and I don't remember when I had tried this. I repurchased it at the November VIB sale, and this is the Fresh Rose face mask. If you need a hydrating face mask, this. I am a rose person. I actually got a fragrance, the Chloe Rose perfume. I think that smells amazing. This mask is amazing. It's super hydrating. But that was my top 17 beauty favorites of 2017. It's crazy to think that we're in 2018. I literally turned 18 this year. What? That was all of my favorites. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Maddie, YT, spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Let me know what your #1 favorite was for the year of 2017. The highlighters were my top picks of the finds of this year because we gotta be glowing. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.